Hey family, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome. It is another lovely vlog. If you are new to my channel, my name is Justina. I am a mom of three. I have two boys and one girl. I'm from Nigeria, but we are based in Ireland with our children. So it is a morning of going to shop. So we recently kind of started eating more vegetables because, as you all know, I'm from Nigeria. I love my jollof rice. I love my rice and stew. I love my meat. I love my fried tomato and all that. And I love my fufu. Don't forget fufu. But I noticed that we are all beginning to put on some pounds. We need to add more veg in our diet. And so that has changed the way that I shop. Usually, I will have a few veg, loads of fruit because we love fruit. We love fruit. We can eat apple until daybreak. We love apple, pears, pineapple, mango. We love fruit. But what we do not get enough is vegetables. So we have went on this low carb, low sugar diet in this house. Everybody is participating. Nobody is left behind on this diet because I want us to eat healthier. And as a mom, I love cooking. I cook a lot. It is up to me to kind of shift the way that we eat. And it's up to me to, include more healthy stuff in our diet. And for me personally, I have underactive thyroid. If you don't know, I think majority of my subscribers now know that I am underactive thyroid patient. I have underactive thyroid and I get bloated easily because my digestion system does not work as normal. So this will also do me a whole lot of good in that sense that okay, this is not just me going on a diet whereby I have to cook for myself separately and cook for the family separately. This is now everybody. Will now force everybody to eat more veg and more fruit in our diet. So I changed a couple of stuff. I usually get the drinking yogurt, the one that has loads of sugar. Now I'll be getting Greek yogurt because it's better. Greek yogurt with cut of fruit, cut of some fruit is better than the other drinking yogurt that has loads of sugar in it. Yeah, we we're excited, to say the least. We are excited. The other day I made broccoli and mushroom soup. We all enjoyed it. It was delicious. But yeah, it is a new start, and we are all excited to get on board and do this for all our health. And I can tell you, since we started this, I do not feel bloatedness. I do not feel, because now I'm eating more veg than eating more rice. Whereby before I would eat a full bowl of rice without no veg in it, and I would not give a shit about it. But yeah, anyway, I am back in the house now, and I am now going to cut my vegetable up and pack them up because for me personally, I love cooking to be easy. I do not want, when I walk inside the kitchen, to get something done, to get quick meal done. I'm left cutting vegetables. So I rather do the cutting of the vegetable on a day that I'm not really cooking, so I can, prep them and put them aside. So when it's time to cook, it's easier for me to cook. Anyway, welcome and thank you guys for clicking on this video, and hopefully you stay to the end of this video. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, you're more than welcome. Thank you. OMG, this is not an easy work to do. I have been standing here for ages trying to cut up veg, but I feel like it is a work that I'm going to be happier that I did, whereby if we are ready to eat, food is ready. Like this salad now, like cutting it up, putting it away. When you want salad, it is ready to go. I don't want to buy the already cut, ready to eat salad because they are more expensive than, getting one and preparing them yourself. But yeah, but this took forever to get done. But it is okay because I know why I'm doing it. I am doing it because I do not want to do it later. That is why I'm doing it. But maybe I should buy them slicer. Them a fruit, vegetable, whatever slicer that will make the work easier to, to do. But yeah, I was like, when is this gonna finish? I'm cutting and there's more and there is more and there is more. But anyway, I knew that today is going to be a meal prep kind of day. So I kind of prepared myself mentally for it because if you do not have the energy for meal prepping, I'm sorry to tell you, you will fumble. You will give up in the middle of meal prep. So I kind of knew that I'm going to do this today. And I gave myself a pat in the back. I said, you know what? This is going to happen whether I like it or not. But it is a work, it is loads of work. But I'm glad that I got it done because this made eating healthy easy. I'm not joking. If you meal prep your food, it makes eating healthy easier. You don't just walk inside the kitchen and grab nonsense because you did not prepare anything. Like this, if you're going to eat healthy, I will tell you to make sure you do meal prep because that actually sets you on a good tone of doing that. Because whereby if you did not do that, if you're that hungry, let's say you come back from work and you're so hungry, you do not have the patience to start cutting vegetable. You're going to grab whatever that is available and eat it.
Guys, oh my god. Guys, oh my god, it has been a busy morning. I'm so tired. I'm absolutely so tired. Oh, it has been a busy morning, if I must say. It has been so busy. Oh, this car. It has been so busy cutting up all the vegetables and packing them and arranging them because I just don't want, when I'm ready to cook food, I'm trying to cut vegetables and do all that. No, I want, when I'm ready to cook food, the vegetables are cut, ready to go. I recently started putting myself and my family on a good, not putting, just eating a good veg anyway. With each meal there must be a decent amount of vegetable, because I feel like we are all putting on some pounds. I love to cook. I cook a lot, and it is up to me to feed my family well. And then, as somebody that is from an African background, like, we cook a lot without no veg. Our Mostly where we get our veg is tomato sauce. And our tomato sauce is also full with oils. Like, there's nothing wrong with our dish. I just have to make sure that I am putting in a bit of veg. And it's raining. Oh my god. It's a bit raining today. Today is very wet. It's raining. Is This car is absolutely miserable today. But anyway, guys, so we recently started the vegetable, making sure that we have vegetable in each meal. So the salad, I cut up the lettuce, the cucumber, put them in one bowl, and I cut up all my other stuff that I bought and packed them up, the broccoli and all that. I made soup. Sometimes last week I made soup, vegetable broccoli and mushroom soup. It was absolutely delish, like yum. And so yeah, so we are on this eating veg kind of thing, and I want the kids to get more veg in their diet, to get a balanced diet. We love rice. We love to eat. We love jollof rice. We love rice and stew. We love spaghetti. We love anything that is full of carbs. But I'm cutting down on the carbs. I am absolutely cutting down on the carbs. A little bit of carb with loads of veg. Anyway, I am here. I have not really gotten a rest this morning, so I'm a bit knackered at this point. But I am here to pick the kids up. It's closing time, so I'm here to, if I pick them up, all I want to do after that is crash and sleep. That is all I want to do after that. It is miserable outside. It is absolutely miserable. Everybody's in their car. No, usually people will be standing outside by the gate, but everybody's in their car. Like, who wants to go stand out there in this miserable weather? Not me. Not me. No, 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 not me. Now that is the look of the outside weather. It is scary. Everybody is in their car. Usually you get people standing by the gate. It's only one person. There's the one brave lady. There's a one brave lady with an umbrella standing by the gate. I don't think it will be me. No, it definitely will not be me. I am not that brave. I'm not that brave. No, not in this weather. I'm not that person. So I'm going to wait in the car. When I see the kids coming out, I will rush over and pick them up.
So, guys, this is in the evening time, and I am getting some desserts ready, and our meal is also kind of ready. What I did after when I pick up the kids is I just went to bed. That was all I did. Your girl was knackered. I was like, you know what? I am going to take a nap. I need it. My body need it. I need to recharge my system to have more energy for evening time, because after the work I did in the morning, I was like, no way, no, no, no. I need a nap. But yeah, after the nap, I feel so refreshed. I feel so alive. I feel so, you have more energy to, to conquer the rest of the day. So I woke up and I was like, you know what? Let's get dinner ready and let's get some dessert ready. Usually we love our baked cookie. We love our baked cookie. It's so delicious. It's so sweet. But I told the kids that baked cookie now will be every end of the month. If we have been so good, every end of the month we will get our baked cookie. But for dessert now, we need to be doing Greek yogurt and fruit, or just Greek yogurt and honey, or just fruit. Just fruit is enough. Just fruit is sweet enough for dessert. They're like, no, we want the cookie. I'm like, no, no, we have to leave that behind for now and focus on good health. But yeah, so this is the bowl that I am going to be dishing out the Greek yogurt. I absolutely love Greek yogurt and fruit. I'm usually not a yoga person, but now it is the only dessert that I have. So I need to love it. I need to love it. Anyway, so yeah, this is what the dessert is looking like. It's pineapple, strawberry, and apple. It tasted so yummy. It tasted so good. So if this is dessert, I'm gonna eat for now. I'm happy to accept it. This is our dinner. It was a salad and the fish. I roasted the fish. Was it 2 days ago? I roasted the fish so we can like kind of have it with salad or something, you know. And it was delicious. Anyway, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.